Chess Fairy Tales.
Written by Azat Kadyrov and edited by Ryan Rafalovich. A pawn and puppy. In a faraway land, called Chess Land, lived a little pawn named Lulu. Lulu had a puppy named Pup. Pup was an unusual puppy, because he could count numbers, play games, and even understand Lulu when Lulu was talking. If you do not believe in me, then come closer and look at my magical glass. And he showed his broken compass to ants. When ants saw their faces on the glass of the compass, they got scared. The king of the forest, in the faraway forest, called the Forgotten Jungle, there was a waterfall, and anyone who drank from it became immortal. The forest was protected by its inhabitants, many animals. Every year the animals, including lions, tigers, wolves, and elephants, had a competition. And his dream came true. But when he looked around, there was something wrong. He had turned into a tiny pawn, and he was in the world of chess, where all pieces were alive. Two friends. Long ago there was a time when chess pieces were alive as humans are today. There were two friends, a knight, and a pawn. These and many other interesting fairy tales are waiting for you in this book. They are easy to read, funny, motivating, and will bring joy to your children. Welcome to the new world of chess.